Okay, well, what we're going to do today, guys, is we've got a beautiful waterfall behind us, but we're out in the bright sun, and we want to do a time exposure so that we get the water looking smooth. Well, you can't just dial your shutter speed down to like half a second because you can only go so low on your ISO and you can only go so high on your f-stop. So what we did is we put a 10-stop ND filter on there. It's neutral density, and it drops at 10 stops. It darkens the photo 10 stops of light so that we can turn our shutter speed down low, still get a decent f-stop, and shoot at a decent ISO so we can get a cool picture. So check this out and see what you think about this. I'm gonna shoot this picture and y'all let me know what you think. All right, so I got one that was at 1/6 of a second, I believe at f2.5 at ISO 200. So let me do another time exposure. I'm gonna do it a little bit longer and let's see what difference we can get on it. All right, so what we did on that last one, we just shot it at 4/10 of a second at f2.0, I believe it was. Let me see. So that last one we shot at 4/10 of a second, and we shot it at f2.0, and you can see even the smoother motion compared to the first one. So we got one slightly smooth and one that's really smooth, but you have to have an ND filter because that was 10 stops of light. And there's just no way you could do that without an ND filter. This one was a K&F. It fits the 50mm on the Canon R6. It was about 20 bucks. It's not very expensive. It's not adjustable. It's just 10 stops. Some of them you can adjust like 1 to 9 or 1 to 5, whatever the case may be. This one's just a screw on and it's a 10 stop drop so we can do the time exposure. So anyway, let me know what you think about the picture. If you like it, hit subscribe. Hey guys, I just want to take this second of your time. If you guys would please hit like and subscribe, it would go a long ways toward helping our channel and help us keep making these videos. Thank you.